They are the main technology provider. They are our innovation creators. This year we are happy to have new startups in our French ecosystem.
This is ENTENT.
Firecell.
MODULATIO.
Dessia.
They leverage cutting-edge technologies in order to tackle problems and challenges in the industry today.
At ENTENT, we help industrials to decarbonize their activity in taking their heat source, their low temperature heat source, and converting it into electricity.
So we provide private 5G networks to enterprises in order to connect people, equipments, vehicles, or machines.
MODULATIO is a casting process for biomimetic structures. What we do is we help industry reduce raw material consumption.
We provide a library of AI, Python code and algorithm to enable to encapsulate your process of design.
They need more visibility, they need investments and funds, and they need the right connections and with partners and end users.
But we need lots of contact in all over Europe and the world. And for this, EIT Manufacturing is the best.
So it's very important for us to be within a European ecosystem and to meet those future companies that are difficult for us.
We are very pleased to be working now with EIT Manufacturing, and we have already been going to Gutenberg, and we were in Barcelona, and now we're here in Lyon.
So EIT, I think, is a good partner to make us come to B2B meetings, pitch startup session, on international seminars.